Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be talking about some Dollar Tree products. So I've actually done this type of video before and you guys really seem to enjoy it. So here I am back with another one of these videos. So I'm basically titling this, are these Dollar Tree products worth it? Are they worth the $125, girl? So if you want to see what products I'm talking about, what's going on, what's happening, just keep on watching. So I actually do have a full face of Dollar Tree today. I did film a past one using all of these products, which is going to be in the Dollar Tree playlist, which is always linked down below all these videos. So that's going to be in the description box. But today we did do a more like Valentine's Day-y vibe for the Dollar Tree video. I have a couple of these products on my face. Some of them I didn't want to include because I didn't want to forget to talk about them. So here we go. Let's just get started with product number one. First off, some of these products don't have names to them. Like the actual like brand is not on them. No type of nothing. So these two little lip balms I think are from the brand Just for Girls, and I did haul these recently as well. We have two of the donut lip balms here, and these are really cute. I did recently use this in my past Dollar Tree full face. There's a look at that. I haven't gotten a chance to use this pink one. What I've noticed, I'm not really into these tub lip balms. I don't know why I keep purchasing them, but here we go. I did use this a few times already, maybe once or twice, I don't know, but you really have to get in there. It's like really thick as well. I don't find that this nourishes my lips, doesn't give me any type of hydration. I don't know why this exists at all, to be honest. Like, what are you doing for my lips? I don't know. But yeah, if I could go back, I would pass up on these because they're not really hydrating again, and I have a dry lips, especially now that it's cold. You know, if you're not helping me, then I'm not going to reach for it. So yeah, this is the type of product I'd say skip out on. I think they're really cute and they smell really good. I think they're an adorable little packaging. These are cute if you want to gift them to someone in your life, maybe a cute little niece or like nephew, whatever it is. I think it's so cute, but like for me and my collection, I know I'm not going to reach for these, and I need to stop purchasing these like tub lip balms because they're just super inconvenient for me and how I like to apply my lip balm. Yeah, it's just like not vibe. We're not vibing together, you know. So these are kind of like a meh, kind of like a flop for me. So wouldn't really recommend these. These products are eyebrow products. I actually do have one of these on my brows today, which is the Ioni Cosmetics brow pencil in the shade dark brown. I also did go ahead and purchase the medium brown. I also did go ahead and swatch them for you guys in my last like haul video. There's a look at the medium brown. It's almost like red brown kind of side, and then this is the one that I've been using, the dark brown. Yeah, and there's a look at those two. So you can see dark brown is definitely darker, and the other one is definitely more on that red brown kind of side. What I find with these is that they're really nice. They're pigmented, they're not super waxy, but they also don't glide around the brow as well. They're nice and like you can control it when you're applying it. The only thing I don't love about this is that once you start getting use out of it, it starts to get rounded like it is now, and it's not as precise on the brows. That's like the only gripe I've had with this. And also it's very easy to remove, which is why I'm going to take this with me today, because I don't want my brows to erase. For example, like I was using a spoolie to kind of blend it in a little more, literally erase the brow. So this is definitely something you have to be careful with. If you are gonna throw it on, definitely take it with you on the go, just in case it, you know, somehow or someone, maybe your kid like wipes out your brow or whatever, something just to kind of ensure that you can put it back on if you know, if it needs be. But I did set them down using a brow styler from Smoke and Mirrors, so hopefully that helps. But yeah, I would definitely suggest take it with you if you do have it on the brows, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna throw it on my bed so I don't forget to take this with me. But as a product on its own, do I recommend it? Yes. If you're looking for a brow pencil, I definitely recommend this over their actual like brow pencil, which I actually do have right behind me. I definitely recommend this product versus the actual pencil. This is Ioni brow pencil. This is just the original one, just because this one you have to keep sharpening. It's the same thing where it kind of gets rounded, however this is retractable, so you can just like move it up. It's also very like dry on the brows, so you really have to like tug at them, which is why I don't really love this. But yeah, I definitely recommend if you're looking for a brow pencil at the Dollar Tree, you happen to come across the Ioni Cosmetics brow pencils, definitely recommend try them out, give them a try. They had, I believe, 3 shades. not sure, but yeah, again, this one is definitely more on the red brown spectrum. I'm using dark brown on my brows. I have black hair and it just works out for me. So yeah, definitely recommend try them out, girl, because they're actually pretty good. If you guys watched my past full face of Dollar Tree, I actually did use the Be Pure Clean Beauty Glow Foundation. I also did a wear test in that video as well. You guys witnessed, if you watched that, how this wore. Now I do have oily skin, so I already knew it's not gonna last on me. Again, I get oily throughout the day. It was a long work day, so it didn't look the most amazing. In the moment, actually did work out. I actually did purchase a deeper shade just to see if it would work for me in a upcoming Dollar Tree haul, so you guys will be seeing that soon. But I did use the shade Nude. It looks like it would be a warm kind of shade in the packaging, but actually is rather light, so I did have to contour my skin and bronze my skin quite a bit just to give the color to even out on me. This is the other product that I purchased. This is the also from Be Pure Hydrating Tinted Moisturizer. However, this shade is just way too light for me, so medium does not work out for me, but nude was pretty okay and I made it work. I think this is cute, especially if you have dry skin, you're looking for something nice and hydrating, something glowy vibes. I think you're really gonna enjoy this. Again, it is a foundation, so it had a rather nice coverage to it as well. I'd say a nice like medium to full coverage vibe when it comes to this. It was cute, definitely something you can build up. If you're close to skin tone to me, I think nude can work for you, but again, you're gonna have to bronze your skin to get it to match, which I was able to, and it looked really nice. However, it didn't wear as nicely as I wanted it to. It did sink into some fine lines and wrinkles, some that I didn't even know I had, so that was interesting. So I'd say, I don't know, give it a try if you're on the market for a new foundation. I think this is okay. Definitely wouldn't wear it past maybe 3 hours or something, maybe like a nice like weekend vibe opposed to a work day, but I thought this was cute and I'm definitely going to keep using it. I really enjoy it. Today I have a couple of Be Pure products on my skin as well. I actually have a mixture of the Be Pure Essentially Ageless Hydrating Serum Foundation and their Hydrating Under Eye Concealer in the shade Medium. I really enjoy this combination, so that's literally what I have on the face today, and I really love this combination. I've spoken about it before. So Be Pure, I've had really good luck with their foundations, so this is no exception. It's just one that's, again, more on the glowy side, so it's not really helping my oily skin, but I really did want to give it a try. So again, if you have dry skin, try it out. If you like glowy foundations, I think you're really going to enjoy this. Next, we have concealer. We have the Candy Mojo Multi-Usage Contour Concealer, and this one I believe is in the shade Medium. To be honest, I thought this was not going to work for me because the shade just looks a little light in the packaging, but this actually is really nice. It's one of those clicky pen type of concealers, and to be honest, this really did work out for me. It was nice, it was buildable, it felt really nice and cooling on the under eyes. If you happen to have dry under eyes, I think you're really going to enjoy this product because it is more on that hydrating side. Not sure if it says, it doesn't say it on here, but yeah, it is more on that hydrating concealer side. I'm not the biggest fan of those type of products, but this actually did wear really nicely, as you saw in wear test portion of that video, my last Dollar Tree haul. Dollar Tree full face. I think you're really gonna enjoy this. Again, if you have dry under eyes, if you like something nice and cooling on the under eyes, I think you're really gonna enjoy this. Now, if you're a person that does not like germs, you don't like when things touch your face, that's, you know, you stick it back in there, you don't like sponge products like this, I don't think you're gonna enjoy it, girl, because the concealer does stay there, you know, it starts to build up. It's possible that it will build bacteria because it's just kind of there and the concealer dries down, so it is a little more on the messy side. If you're not into that, I think just stay away from it. If you don't care, like me, I don't really, you know, think about it too much, I think try it out. It's really nice concealer, and it's way better than the LA Colors concealer. You guys know the original LA Colors Dollar Tree concealer, way better than that, has more coverage to it, it's just way nicer. And Candy Mojo, they started coming out with a couple of things at the Dollar Tree and they're really cute. Really love the concept of this concealer and definitely recommend, if you see it, try it out. Let's talk cream products. We have this Be Pure Clean Beauty line. They came out with a couple of products in this line. We had that foundation, we have a gloss, which I'm going to talk about right now. They also came out with this product, which is a lip color and cream blush duo. So again, you can use it on your lips, you can use it on your face. I happen to use this on my face for cream blush. That's just where I'm going to keep it, because I don't see myself using this for lip color, but this is so so nice. Now I'm not sure if this is the only color that's available at the Dollar Tree. I'll have to check again, but this is such a beautiful raspberry kind of shade. But look at that shade, it's stunning. And you guys saw how it looked in that video. It's just so beautiful. It's nice and blendable, and it's just so cute. So if you're on the market for a cream blush from the Dollar Tree, definitely recommend it. Try this Clean Beauty product out. And again, if they have different shades, awesome, because these are so good. If they haven't come out with more shades, I hope they do. Also, I do hope that they start adding the actual brand name on here, because sometimes I forget where they're from, and then when I recommend, like, obviously I can't like tell you the brand, but they're always going to be down below, because I do film haul videos. I tend to write down the brand there, so I just kind of copy and paste it into my description box. So if you need the actual like brand, it's going to be in the description box, because I honestly don't remember. It might be Pure or Beauty Intuition, I don't know. This is so cute. Definitely give it a try if you're on the market again for a cream blush. I think this is cute. Definitely give it a try. It's nice and pigmented, easy to blend, and of course take a light hand when you're going in with this product. Don't go ham and go like squishing your brush in there. It is a little bit, goes a long way with this product. So yeah, so cute. Next product is a liquid liner. We have the Flower Beauty Liquid Kajal Blendable Eyeliner in the shade Starry. I used this in my last video and you guys saw how this looked. I love the color. It is more on that watery side of liner, so it is one that you kind of have to build up just a little bit, and not too much, not too crazy, but this is definitely worth it because the color itself is stunning. Now it does come with a applicator kind of vibe like so, and again, just the color is so beautiful. It's a dark blue moment. It's just stunning, and as you can see, like, you can kind of see the wateriness there, but yeah, for me it's definitely worth the work I'm putting into building it up. It doesn't take too much to build this up. It's really nice and pigmented, but there's just some areas that kind of get like watery vibes, a little patchy vibes, so you just kind of have to go over it. But yeah, this is so cute, and I can see myself using this a lot because just the color itself is worth it. It's just beautiful. It was really easy to use as well, so I really much enjoyed this. But again, if you're not into putting in the work for liners, you don't like watery liners, I don't think you're gonna enjoy this. I hope they have other colors at the Dollar Tree. I'll have to take a look because this was so nice and I love the color. But yeah, I really much enjoyed this liner. So we didn't have a whole lot of like fails in this video, but we're gonna talk about a couple right now. These mascaras, don't go pick them up, girl. Both of them, I believe both of them are from Be Pure. Oh no, this one actually has a name on it. Okay, so we have the Be Pure Hydrating Mascara. I just went ahead and lumped them together because they're both new mascaras to me. We also have the Beauty Intuition Volumizing Mascara. Again, this one here. I think this one I really much like way more than the Beauty Intuition because of the wand. I really like the wand of this mascara. Really nice. It definitely gave me more length than I was expecting. Now it definitely is that mascara, as you guys know, like those LA Colors mascaras you kind of know are gonna suck kind of formula. It's kind of chunky vibes. That's what I find with both of these. Now this one definitely gave me more to work with than the Beauty Intuition, which I actually did use for today's look. Gave me the same kind of vibes, but this one definitely did way more for me. So if I had to choose one, I'd say I recommend the Be Pure Hydrating Mascara way more than the Beauty Intuition. However, I really love the packaging of this one, so I can see myself using this more. But you know, whatever fits your vibe. If you're on the market for a mascara, I definitely say skip out on the Dollar Tree mascaras. There's not a whole lot of great mascaras at the Dollar Tree. There's so many other affordable mascaras at the drugstore, CVS, all those places. I'd say save your coin and pick one of those up, opposed to these, because these are cute if you're in a pinch, but honestly, they're just not that great. So same thing goes for these eyeshadows, girl. They suck. Don't pick them up. Don't do it. The first time around, this one, okay, if I had to choose one, I'd say go with the Moody neutrals, because this one honestly worked out really well for me. I thought it was cute. Okay, this one just sucked. This is the one that I used today. Don't recommend the rosy nudes. Don't pick it up. The Moody neutrals is cute if you're into neutral tones. I think you can build these up nicely on the lid. If you're into something that's there but not there, those like super wearable looks, I don't know how to explain it, like you know, there's some people that don't care about pigmentation. You just want a little something on the lid. I think you're gonna enjoy this. You just want something to work with, throw it on and go. For me, because I have palettes that work better for me, and I know there's palettes that are the same price and work better, that I'd say I don't really recommend these. But again, if you're that person that doesn't really care about pigmentation, you just want something quick and easy, whatever vibes, pick them up. But honestly, don't recommend these. I was really disappointed by them. Again, I don't even know the brand because they don't say, doesn't have the brand on it, but skip out on these, girl. There's way better eyeshadows at the drugstore, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, than these. I can't, I don't like them. To end on a positive note, their lip products have been really amazing for me. And Remi Rose Cosmetics, you guys know I literally talk about them all the time when I'm doing my full faces, off camera, on camera. I love their liquid lipsticks. If you're in the market for a liquid lipstick at the drugstore, I definitely recommend Remi Rose. These are so comfortable on the lips. Pink on my lips today is one of their Remi Rose liquid lipsticks in the shade Carolina. We have a couple here. We have the Remi Rose liquid lipstick in Samantha, which I actually used in my last full face. We also have this one here in the shade Lindsay. We have the shade Drew. These are nice, they're pigmented, they're comfortable on the lips, they last on the lips. So if you're on the market again for a liquid lipstick, definitely recommend Remi Rose. They have amazing lip glosses as well. Their lip exfoliator is really amazing as well, but that's pretty much it. I wish they come out with more stuff. I just know that for sure, definitely recommend the lip products. Lip exfoliator, liquid lipsticks, and lip glosses are amazing from Remi Rose. So yeah, definitely don't skip out on these, girl. These are amazing. And they also offer other shades. I know I just showed you guys the most like nude shades they have, but they have different colors, girl. And lastly, we have a lip gloss. This is the Be Pure Lip Jelly. I honestly don't know the name, but yeah, they came out with this clean line, also part of that like cream blush line situation. This is really nice. I use this in my last full face. Really nice and like lightweight kind of moment. It smells like coconut. Yeah, it just smells amazing. The color is really nice. It's nice and like almost watery vibes, where you can even use this as just like a lip color, almost lip balm, lip oil kind of vibe on the lips. If you're doing a no makeup look, I think you're really gonna enjoy this. The color itself is beautiful and it wears really nicely as well. So I really much enjoyed this, and I think this was the only shade they had in their lip jellies. Let me know if I'm wrong, I don't know. But again, this is from their Clean Beauty. It says, for peace of mind, high shine with rich hydration. Agree with that. It definitely is very hydrating on the lips. So yeah, if you're on the market for something like that, I think you're really gonna enjoy this. So that was the last product I had to talk about. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Now, again, with the Dollar Tree and with a lot of things in life, you get things that are great and then you get things that are not so great. So let me know if you agree or disagree with any of my opinions in the comments down below. Have you tried any of these? Are you gonna go look for them at the Dollar Tree? Let me know in the comments. I also have a playlist, which I did mention throughout this video. It's gonna be down below in the description box. So if you wanna check it out, that would be amazing. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.